Hi students, hello, how are you? This is Ram Saurav, your maths teacher. I welcome you children all to live classes. Children, in the previous classes, we have discussed about the what, how to solve in the linear equation at two variables. Isn't it children? For that children, we have exactly three methods. The first method is what? Any idea children? What is the first method? It is substitution method. And what is the second method children? It is the elimination method. And third method is the what children? Is the cross multiplication method. Children, in the previous two classes we already discussed like first method is what? Substitution method, and second method is what children? That is elimination method. And the most important method is what children? Today we are going to discuss about a cross multiplication method children. So this cross multiplication method is very important children. So try to practice this cross multiplication method as much as, because it is a very important method. Because like first method, like substitution method and elimination method, we may follow or we may not be follow. But I can say this cross multiplication method is a very simple children, and you can like solve the solutions. Otherwise, you can solve the what? The linear equation two variables like very quickly. Okay, and there will not be any mistake children when you do this method. Okay, so when you are committing the like mistake, it's a very less chance. Am I clear children? So what I am telling you, so try to practice this more, this cross multiplication method. Okay, so it is one of the method children. So try finding the solution of the what? The linear equation in two variables. Okay, let us start children. So how we can going to solve this question? Like how we can going to apply the cross multiplication method. And one more thing children, we are using what? Something a reducible form. So this also what, like some equation will not be like exactly ax plus by plus c form children. So for that like those kind of equation we are bringing into what? Our standard form. So after bringing it to standard form, then we are going to solve the what? The linear equation in two variable. Am I clear children this point everyone? Okay. Now children, let us see how we are going to like apply the what? A cross multiplication. Actually, what is a cross multiplication method and how we are going to use this method. Now children, I am taking the two linear equations. So what is the linear equation? One is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Another is what children? a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Clear children? Then first write down the here x. Variable is x, here variable is y, and here constant is what? 1. This is the first step. Then children, write down the y coefficient. So here what is the y coefficient? b1. Again write down the constant c1. Again write down the x coefficient. Again that is what? a1. Again write down the what? Y coefficient, that is what? A b1. Okay. First write down the b1, then c1, a1. Again write down the b1. Clear children? Start with b1. Again go to c1. Again come back to a1. Again into what? Same b1 only. The same thing children we can do here also. Again start with what? b1. Go to c2. Again go to a2. Again end with what? Again b2 children. So how we can write this children? Can you tell me? First we can write as b2. Then write down the constant as c2. Then write down it is a2. Again this is what? A b2. Clear children? Then children do the cross multiplication. So multiply these two first. Then multiply these two second. Then find the difference. So what I am writing? X by. So what is the multiplication of these two children? b1 into c2. So that is what I am writing, b1 into c2 minus. Multiply these two children. We can write as what? A b2 into c1 is equal to y by c1 into a2. So this is c1 into a2 minus a1 into c2. So this is a1 into c2. Next 1 by a1 into b2. So write down this is what? a1 into b2 minus a2 into b1. So this is what? a2 into b1. Clear children this cross multiplication up to here? First I am writing all the variable children. This is x is a variable, y is a variable, and 1 is a constant term. Okay. Then children write down the first coefficient of y. Next one is constant. Again coefficient of x. Again what? Coefficient of, sorry, it's a what? Coefficient of x. Again it's a what? A coefficient of y. Again same thing, coefficient of y, constant, and a2 is a what children? coefficient of x, again b2 is the what children, and coefficient of y. Then children apply like multiplication of these two minus multiplication of these two, again multiplication of these two minus multiplication of these two, multiplication of these two, again minus multiplication of these two. Clear children? Then afterwards children you do one thing, so equate, so this x variable equate to this and this y variable equate to this. So what I am writing children, x by b1 into c2 minus b2 into c1 is equal to, so this is what children, a2 into, sorry, this is what, constant value, a1 into b2 minus a2 into b1. Then, so from this how we can write children, x is equal to, send this numerator children, so this is b1 into c2 and b2 into c1 and divided by a1 into b2 minus a2 into b1. So this is the what, x value. Okay. The same way children we can write y value also. So we can write y by, here denominator y is what children, c1 into a2 minus a1 into c2 is equal to, and what is the constant term children, 1 by a1 into b2 minus a2 into b1. And children this denominator, send this like numerator here. So y is equal to c1 into a2, a1 into c2 and divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this is a y value. Clear children? So we got the x value and we got the what, y value. Children, this procedure is called what, a cross multiplication method. Okay. So by applying this cross multiplication method children, we can find the what, directly solution. First write down the what children, here x is a variable, y is a variable and 1 is a constant here. Then start with what, first a y coefficient, then constant, again x coefficient, again end with what, same y coefficient. Here also this is a what, a y coefficient, constant, again x coefficient, and that is a what, a y coefficient. So multiply these two children and do the subtraction of multiplication of these two, and multiply these two minus multiply these two, multiply these two minus again multiply these two. Okay, then we are going to get the what, x is this is a value and y is this is a value. So we got the x value and we got the y value. Clear children? Any doubts regarding this cross multiplication method? Okay. Children, let us take a small example so that it is easy for you. Okay, children, this is a procedure actually like this. This is a x value and this is a what, a y value. Okay. Now children, I am taking a small example. X minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0. 3x minus 9y minus 2 is equal to 0. Children, these are the what, that pair of a linear equation. Okay. So we need to find the what, solution. Solution means what? We need to find the x and comma y value which satisfy both the equations. That is called solution. Okay, children, you do one thing. First write down here x and this is y. This is 1. First y coefficient. For first equation, y coefficient is what? A minus 3. Constant also minus 3. X coefficient is 1. Again y coefficient is what? A minus 3. And come to second equation. Here y coefficient is what? A minus 9. Constant is what? A minus 2. Again x coefficient is what? 3. And this is what? A minus 9. Okay, children? Then write down x by, multiply this minus 3 and minus 2. So this is what? A minus 3 into minus 2 minus minus 3 into minus 9. Then equal to y divided by, multiply minus 3 into 3 minus multiply 1 into minus 2. Next to 1 by 1 into minus 9 minus 3 into minus 3. Clear, children? Just multiply these two, children. It's a very simple. See, multiply these two minus multiply these two. Multiply these two. Again minus. Multiplication of this and minus multiplication of this. Clear, children? Okay. Now, what we are doing again? Okay. So, x by, children, minus 3 into minus 2. It is what? A 6. Minus 3 into minus 9. It is what? A plus 27. So, y divided by minus 3 into 3. It is what? Minus 9. So, minus, so this is actually 1 into minus 2 is what? Minus 2, but already we have one more minus here. So, that minus and minus 2. So, both get plus. So, I can say it is plus 2. And 1 by 1 into minus 9. What is the value, children? It is minus 9. So, minus 3 into 3. It is what? A plus 9. So, this is what? X by, what is 6 minus 27, children? 6 minus 27 is equal to what? It is minus, tell me, children, 21. And y by, tell me, children, what is the y by? Minus 9 plus 2. We can say it is minus 7. 1 by, what is minus 9 plus 9? It is 0. Children, we got the here denominator is equal to 0. Isn't it? But generally, we should not get the denominator is equal to 0. Why? Because we just let us see what is the nature of the solution. So, what is the nature of the solution? Let me find that. So, after that, we will see whether solution is possible or not. So, how we can find the nature of solution? A1 is equal to 1, B1 is equal to minus 3 and C1 is equal to minus 3. And here A2 is equal to 3 and B2 is equal to minus 9 and C2 is equal to minus 2. Okay, children? First, we will find the nature of the solutions. So, A1 by A2 is equal to what? A 1 by 3 and B1 by B2 minus 3 by minus 9, that is again 1 by 3. And C1 by C2 is what, children? So, C1 by C2 is minus 3 by minus 2. So, we can say it is 3 by 2. Children, I can say clearly. So, A1 by A2 is equal to what? A B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. So, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2 means, can I say it is inconsistent, children? Yes or no? So, we can say it is inconsistent. So, when it is inconsistent means what is the solution, children? Solution is called what? Here no solution because the two lines are what? Parallel. Okay, so this is what? Two are parallel lines. So, when the lines are parallel, so what is the solution? We can say no solution. This is a no solution. So, that's why we are not getting the what? Solution. Okay. Now, children, let us take another like example. Let us see and find solution. Okay. Children, let me do this question. So, x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 3y and minus 15 is equal to 0. Now, children, apply the what? Same and cross multiplication method. So, this is x, this is y and this is 1. First, write down the what? A y coefficient. Here, y coefficient is what? A minus 3 and constant is minus 7. And this is what? Again, x coefficient is 1, again y coefficient is 3. Children, first write down the y coefficient, that is minus 3. Constant minus 7, x coefficient 1, again y coefficient is what? Again minus 3. See, children, we are ending with the, we are starting with the y coefficient, again we are ending with what? A y coefficient only. And for this second equation, what is the y coefficient here? Minus 3. Constant is what? A minus 15. Again x coefficient 3. Again y coefficient, that is minus 3. Now, children, and do the cross multiplication. So, x divided by, children, minus 3 into minus 15. So, write down this is minus 3 into minus 15 minus minus 3 into minus 7. So minus 3 into minus 7 and y divided by minus 7 into 3 minus 15 into 1. So this is what? A minus 15 into this is 1 equal to 1 by. So 1 into what? It is minus 3. Okay. And this is what? Okay, children. So it is what? AD minus BC. So AD nothing but what? 1 into minus 3. And this is what? Minus 3 into minus 3. Clear, children? Okay. Now what I am doing? X by minus 3 into minus 15. What is the value, children? A minus 45. Minus 45 plus 45. It is plus 45, children, because minus into minus it is plus. Next one, minus 3 into minus 7. I can say what, children? 21. So write down it is minus 21. So y divided by, children, minus 3 into 3. 7 3s are, what is the value? Minus 21, because it's a negative value, means we can write as minus 21. And this minus into minus plus, so we can say plus 15 equal to 1 divided by. So this is minus 3 and minus into minus is what? Plus. So we can say minus 3 plus 9. So this is what? X divided by, children, 45 minus 21. So we can say this is a 24. Y by minus 21 plus 15. I can say it is how much, children? A minus 6. 1 by minus 3 plus 9. We can say answer is 6. Then, children, equate this. X by 24 equal to 1 by 6 and y by minus 6 is what? Equal to 1 by 6. Okay, children? So x is equal to, we will get 24 by 6 and y is equal to, we get minus 6 by 6. Then x is equal to what, children? 6 4s are. And y is equal to what, children? It is minus 1. So x is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 1 are the solutions of this equation. See, children, any doubts regarding this question? So first of all, you do one thing, children. Write down this is x, y and 1. Okay. Then write down the what? A y coefficient. Next write down the constant. Again x coefficient. Again write down the y coefficient. Children, first I am starting with what? A y coefficient. Again I am ending also with a y coefficient only. Here also again starting with y coefficient. Here also I am ending with y coefficient. Then do the cross multiplication, like cross multiplication and cross multiplication. Okay. Then, children, afterwards equate to constant, like x by some value equal to constant value and y by some value again equal to constant value. Okay, children. Then we got the answer is equal to what? X is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 1 is our final solution. Am I clear, children? Are any doubts regarding this question? Okay, fine. Children, let us see another question. Now, children, this is something a different type of question, because this is actually what? It is not in the form of ax plus by plus c form, children, isn't it? So this is not in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so we have to actually what? Equations are what? Reducible to a pair of linear equation. Here equation is what? Here a variable in denominator form. Actually we want the variable in what? In numerator form. Yes or no? Like ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Clear, children? So how we can go to solve this? Tell me, children, this type of question. First of all, it is not in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 form, children. Okay, so we need to convert this type of like equation as standard form. So after converting the standard form, then we have to find the solution by applying the what? A cross multiplication method. Clear, children? Okay, let us see, children, how we are going to solve this. First, I am taking, children, 1 by x is equal to, you can take some variable as x. Okay, so 1 by x is equal to what? I am taking something, a variable, it is something x, so a. Then 1 by y is equal to, I take the value is equal to b. Okay, then children substitute here. So this is what? A 2 into 1 by x plus a 3 into 1 by y. Children, this plus 13 bring to LHS. So we are going to get a minus 13 equal to 0. Then this is what? 5 into, again we can write as 1 by x. This is 4 into, and this is a 1 by y. Minus 2, bring LHS side, we can write as it is plus 2 equal to 0. Clear, children? Now, children, I told you already. So we are assuming the what? 1 by x value is a and 1 by y value is equal to b, isn't it? So what I am writing? So 2 into 1 by x value is equal to 2a. 3 into 1 by y value is equal to what, children? We can say 3b. And it is what? A minus 13 equal to 0. Here also 5 into 1 by x value, it is 5a. 1 by is equal to what? A minus 4b. And this is what? A plus 2 equal to 0. Now children, apply now cross multiplication method. Okay, now let us see. First write down here, children, here variable is a and here variable is b and constant is 1. Children, here y nothing but we have taken as the second variable is b. So start with the coefficient of with b. So what is the coefficient of b, children? That is 3. And constant is what? A minus 13. And a coefficient is 2. Again, b coefficient is what, children? It is 3. Now, children, look at the second equation. So this is a minus 4. This is a 2. And this is a 5 because a coefficient is 5. And next one, children, we can say this is a minus 4. Now, children, write down a by multiplication of these two, children. So 3 into 2, it is what? A 6. Then put the minus. Minus 4 into minus 13. So first minus into minus plus. 13 4 is, children, 52. So write down this is a 52. B by minus 13 into 5. So 13 5s are, it is 65. But we have minus, children, so write down the minus 5. Next to 2 into 2, this is what? A 4. So 1 by 2 into minus 4, we can say it is minus 8. 5 into 3, it is what? We can say a minus 15. Clear, children? Any doubts up to here? Now what I am writing? So this is a by, children, 6 minus 52, what is the value? I can say it is what? A minus 46, isn't it? B by minus 65 minus 4, we can say it is minus 69. 1 by minus 8 and minus 15, we can say it is minus 23. Okay, children? Now I am finding the a value. So a is equal to how we can write? A minus 46 by minus 23. And b value we can write as minus 69 by and minus 23. So here minus minus cancel, 23 1s are, 23 2s are. Minus minus cancel, 23 1s are, 23 3s are. So a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3 is our solution. These are a and b value only, but I want to find the what, children? X value. Not a value, not b value, isn't it? So 1 by x is equal to a. So what I am writing? 1 by x. So 1 by x value is equal to what, children? A nothing but 2. So I can say x is equal to what? A 1 by 2 is a solution. I want to find the x value, children. So send the x that side and bring the 2 in denominator form. So we are going to get the x is equal to 1 by 2 is a solution. Next one, children. 1 by y is equal to what, children? 3. So 1 by y is equal to 3 children. From this I can write y is equal to what? A 1 by 3. So x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3, our final solutions. Clear children? Once look at the solution children, everyone. Children, first of all, this question not in the form of ax plus by c form children, because see, a denominator we have in the, a denominator is the what variable. Generally we have to get the what variable should be what in the numerator form. See, this is actually standard form. Look at the standard form children. Here variable is what in the like numerator, but here variable is what in denominator. This is not acceptable children, isn't it? So further what I am doing? So 1 by x I am assuming some value children, that is a, and 1 by y also I am assuming another letter, that is b. So same again, bring into what a standard form. So it is a standard form children. So here standard form, and standard form a and b both are what variables here. Okay, this is a what a linear equation 2 variable, but a and b both are variables here. Again apply the what, again cross multiplication. So multiply these two, again multiply these two, multiply these two, okay. Then write down the value. A is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3 are final solutions. Clear children? Any doubts regarding this sum? Question is very simple children, but little bit you need to practice. Okay, fine children, let us see another question. Now children, look at this. This is also same type of question, but little bit lengthy children. This is solve the pair of linear equation reduced into what is pair of linear equations. Okay. First of all, these two are not in a standard form children. Our standard form is what ax plus by plus c form. Okay, but this is not in a standard form. Again, we have to convert this is what into our standard form. After converting the standard form, again we have to apply the what a cross multiplication method. Isn't it children? So what I am doing children, first I am assuming 1 by x minus 1 value is equal to a. Clear children? Okay, I will write down here this side. So what I am assuming children, 1 by x minus 1 value is equal to a. 1 by y minus 2 value is equal to b. Clear children? 1 by x minus 1 value I am taking something a, and 1 by y minus 2 value I am taking b. Now children, take the equation. So this equation we can write as 5 into 1 by x minus 1. Okay, and this I can write as 1 into 1 by, this is a y plus 2 is equal to, these two children I am bringing LHS side. So we can write as minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Now, children, what is 1 by x minus 1 value? We can say a, because already we have taken 1 by x minus 1 value is a. So I am writing this value is what a, and this value I am writing as b. So we can write as it is 5a, and this is what 1 into b. So we can say that is b, and minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Next one children, 6 into, so this I am writing as 1 by x minus 1, minus 3 into, this we can write as 1 by y minus 2. So is equal to 1 is equal to what? We can write as minus 1. Okay children? Again, assume this value, already we have assumed children, so that is a, so replace a and replace b. So we can write as 6 into a, and we can replace 3 into b, and this is what a minus 1 equal to 0. Clear children? Okay. Now children, you can take this as a equation 1 and you can take this as a equation 2. Again apply the what children? Same, a cross multiplication method. So first I am writing here a is a variable and b is a variable and 1 is a constant. First coefficient of b, here coefficient of b is what children? 1. Next minus 2, and coefficient of a, it is 5. Again coefficient of what children? B, again it is 1. Children see, ending with 1, starting with 1, again I am ending with 1 because same coefficient, isn't it? Again come to second equation children, this is what? A minus 3, and this is constant is minus 1. Again x coefficient, that is a coefficient is what? 6. Again constant is what? Minus 3. Clear children? Okay. Okay, children, you do one thing. So multiply this a by 1 into minus 1. So we can say minus 1. So minus 3 into minus 2. So that is 6. But already we have one more minus. So minus 6. Because minus like AD minus BC. First we have to multiply this and put the minus and multiply this. So difference of multiplication of this value and multiplication of this value. And B by minus 2 into 6. It is what? A minus 12. And minus of minus 1 into 5. It is what? A minus 5. 1 by 5 into minus 3. What is the value, children? It is minus 15. Minus 6 into 1, we can say it is 6. Okay. Then children, what I am writing? Minus 1 minus 6, we can say minus 7. B by. Children, it is what? A minus 12. So minus into minus plus. So you can say minus 12 plus 5. So minus 12 plus 5. What is the value, children? Again, it is minus 7 only. B, sorry, this is a constant, children. It's not B, it is a constant. Okay, 1 by minus 5 minus 6. What is the value, children? It is minus 21. Okay. Again, find the A value and find the B value. So how we can find, children? A is equal to what? So directly I can say minus 7 by minus 21. So this is what, children? A 1 by 3, because minus minus cancel. It is 7 ones are and 7 threes are. And B value. Again we can write as what, children? A minus 27, so minus 7 by and minus 21. So minus minus cancel, 7 ones are, 7 threes are. So I can write as 1 by 3. Children, A is equal to 1 by 3 and B is equal to 1 by 3. But we need to find the what, children? X value and Y value, not A and B value. But we are assuming, children, A is equal to what? 1 by X minus 1. So I am substituting here, children. So 1 by X minus 1. A value how much? It is a 1 by 3. So directly we can say X minus 1 is equal to 3. Then X is equal to 3 plus 1. Then X is equal to 4 is the answer. Okay. And come to this second one, children. Here B is equal to what? A 1 by 3. But actually what is the B here? We are assumed 1 by 1 minus 2. So 1 by Y minus 2. So 1 by Y minus 2 is equal to what? A 1 by 3. And like reciprocal form, children. So you are going to get a Y minus 2 is equal to 3. So Y is equal to what? A 3 plus 2. And Y is equal to 5 is the answer. Clear, children? Once look at the solution. Children, answer is lengthy, but procedure is same procedure, children. Okay, because actually see, children, the given equations are not in a standard form, first of all. Standard form means what? Ax plus by plus c form. But the given equation not in a standard form. So we are bringing into what? A standard form, first of all. So after bringing into standard form, then what we are doing, children? Applying the what? Again, same a cross multiplication method. Are you getting my point, children? After bringing into what? A standard form, we are what? Applying the a cross multiplication method. Okay. So from the cross multiplication method, what we got? So A is equal to what? Something that's 1 by 3 and B also 1 by 3. But I want to find the what? X value. So what I am writing, children? 1 by X minus 1 value is equal to 3. From this X is equal to, I got 4. Again 1 by Y minus 2 value is equal to what? 1 by 3. Again Y is equal to what, children? 5 is the answer. So X is equal to 4 is the one solution and Y is equal to 5 is the one more solution. Clear, children? Any doubts regarding this sum? Okay, fine. And children, let us see another question. The same pattern, children. So 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. And 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to what? A 13 by 6. Clear, children? Okay. And children, listen here. And these two questions not in a standard form again. Isn't it? Are they in standard form? They are not in the form of standard. Yes or no? Again, we have to bring into what? A standard form, children. So how we can bring standard form? Same thing. So we have to assuming children 1 by x value I am assuming is A, 1 by y value I am assuming as B children. Okay. Now we will do one thing. So this I am writing as 1 by 2 into 1 by x, and this I am writing as 1 by 3 into 1 by y. So this 2 is equal to what? A minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Now this is what children? A 1 by 2. Children, what is the 1 by x value? So 1 by x value is equal to A, and 1 by 3. And what is the 1 by y value children? It is B, and minus 2 equal to 0. Children, take the LCM. So LCM will be what? 6. So this is what? A 3A, and it is what? A 2B, and this is a minus 12 equal to 0. And children, send the 6 that side, so it becomes 0. So what is the last our equation? 3A plus 2B and minus 12 equal to 0. So take this as the equation as 1. And children, take the second equation. So 1 by 3 into 1 by x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by y, and this is what? A minus 13 by 6 equal to 0. And children, take 1 by x value is equal to what? Again A. So this is 1 by 3 A, 1 by 2 it is B, and this is what? A minus 13 by 6 is equal to 0. Okay. Now children, we do one thing. So take the LCM again. What? 6 is the LCM. So here 3 how many times children? 2 times. So 2 into A plus this is what children? 3 times. So 3 into B. So that is 3B. This is 6 how many times? 1 time. So we can say it is minus 13 equal to 0. So this I can write as 2A plus 3B minus 13 equal to 0. Clear children up to here? See children, we got the here 2 equation. One equation is what? 3A plus 2B minus 2 will equal to 0. Another equation is what? 2A plus 3B a minus 13 equal to 0. Okay. Now children, I am solving these two by applying the what? A cross multiplication method. Okay. Let us see how we can solve. So first write down the A is a variable and B is a variable and constant is 1. Now children, write down the what is the B value? B means first we have to write the what? A coefficient of B. So coefficient of B is equal to what? 2. And this is a minus 12. This is 3 and this is 2. And for second equation, B, what is the coefficient of B? It is 3. And constant is what? A minus 13. And this is what? A 2. And this is what? A 3. First write down the B coefficient, next to constant, again A coefficient, again write down the B coefficient. Children, we are starting with the same B coefficient, again ending with a B coefficient. Okay. Okay. Now children, apply the same again cross multiplication. A divided by AD, like multiplication of these two and multiplication of these two. So minus 13 into 2. What is the answer children? It is minus 26. So minus 12 into 3. It is minus 36. B by. So minus 12 into 2. What is the value children? Minus 24. And this is what children? Minus of a 3 into minus 13. One by 3 3s are 9 and 2 2s are a 4. Now children, what we are writing? A by. Children, it is minus 26, it is plus 36. Minus 26 plus 36, what is the value? It is 10. B by. This is what? A minus 24. Minus into minus plus. So 13 3s are, it is 39. So 1 by 9 minus 4 value 5. So this is what children? A by 10 and B by 39 minus 24. I can say it is 15 and 1 by this is 5. Then what is the A value children? It is 10 by 5. and B value is equal to what, children? It is 15 by 5. So A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. Clear, children? So A I got 2 and B is equal to 3. But children, I want to find the what? X value. So substitute here A value, children. A is equal to how much? 2 is the answer. And B is equal to how much? 3 is the answer. To substitute here. So we can write as 1 by X is equal to, A value how much, children? It is 2. Then X is equal to, I can say 1 by 2 is the answer. Okay. And 1 by Y is equal to what, children? B value. Just look at the answer and tell me. So that is 3. So B is equal, sorry, Y is equal to what? It is 1 by 3. Children, at last we got the two answer like X and Y value. X is equal to 1 by 2 and Y is equal to 1 by 3 are our final solutions. Clear, children? Any doubts regarding this sum? No doubt, children? Okay. Now, children, see another question. 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy and 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. Children, it is not in the form of standard form, isn't it? Again, we have to bring into what? A standard form. So, what I am doing, children? So, this xy I am bringing this side. So, 6x plus 3y divided by xy is equal to 6. 2x plus 4y divided by xy is equal to what? 5. Isn't it? Now, children, separate the numerator and denominator. 6x by xy, 3y by xy is equal to minus 6 is equal to 0. And this also same thing, children, separate numerator and denominator. So, 2x by xy plus 4y by xy minus 5 equal to 0. Children, here x value cancel, here y value cancel. Here also x cancel, here y and y is cancel. Then, children, the equation become what? 3 by x plus 6 by y minus 6 equal to 0. And here we can write as 4 by x, 2 by y minus y equal to 0. Okay. Now, again, children, assume that 1 by x value is equal to a. Again, 1 by y value assume as b. Then, children, 1 by x is equal to a means directly I am writing it is 3a. And this is what? A 6b. And this is what? A minus 6 equal to 0. And what is the second equation, children? We can write as 4a. And this is what? A 2b. And minus 5 equal to 0. Okay. And children, apply the cross multiplication method. This is a and this is b and this is 1. First, write down the b coefficient, that is 6 and constant is minus 6 and a coefficient is 3. Again, this is 6. And for second equation, for b coefficient is 2. Constant is what? A minus 5. And this is 4. And this is a 2. A by multiplication of these two minus multiplication of these two. Children, I am writing directly 6 into minus 5, it is minus 30. So, 6 into minus 2, it is actually minus 12, but already we have one more minus, so it is plus 12. So, b by multiplication of these two, a minus 24. 5 into minus 3, sorry, minus 5 into 3, minus 15, but already we have one more minus, so it becomes plus 15. So, 1 by 3 2s are 6 and 6 4s are, it is 24. Clear, children? So, children, it is not 4, I think. Let me check. So, this is not 4, children. We wrote wrong. Just look at the board. So, what is the here? B. And this is what? A minus 5. Yeah, it is 4 only, children. Yeah, it is 4 only. Okay. So, a by. So, this is what? 6 into minus 5. It is what? A minus 30. And it is what? A plus 12. B by. So minus 24, and it is what? A plus 15. And this is 1, 3 2s are 6, and 6 4s are, it is 24. Children, A by minus 30 plus 12, what is the value, children? We can say it is 18. B by minus 24 plus 15, what is the value, children? It is a minus 9. 1 by 6 minus 24, what is 6 minus 24, children? It is minus 18. So A is equal to, so minus 18 by minus 18, that is 1. B is equal to minus 9 by minus 18, so that is what? A 2. Children, A value is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2. But I want to find the what, children? X value and Y value. Again same thing, children, write down here. So 1 by X value, A is equal to how much? 1. So I can say X is equal to 1. Then 1 by Y is equal to B. So I am writing 1 by Y. So B value how much here? It is 2. So I can say Y is equal to what? 2. Clear, children? So X is equal to what? 1 is a solution and Y is equal to 2 is the one more solution. Okay. So children, this is about the what? A cross multiplication method. So any doubts, children, regarding this method? Third method, it is like finding the linear equation two variables. Children, try to practice more questions. Okay, you can frame the all question and try to find the all solutions. Clear, children? I hope you understood this class. So remaining class will continue the next class.